Good morning. Let's get back into the kitchen and cook some breakfast. So this will be an Indonesian soy sauce fried egg. The Indonesian soy sauce is sweet, and this will be the star player we'll be using. And this is just kind of a general idea of what you're going to need. Plus, I'm frying up some Spam to go with it because it's going to be good. All right, no real measurement. It's about a 2-to-1. So we're going to get our Kitsap Menace sweetened soy sauce, and we're going to do a roughly 2-to-1 here. We want just enough sauce to coat it. All right, pinch of salt, pinch of sugar, tap of pepper. Give that a mix. All right, pan medium heat. I cooked some Spam in there. There's a little bit of juice left, so I'm going to keep that in there. I'll be cooking in a little bit of coconut oil today. Put a little bit of that in there. You know, I really don't know the proper name. It gets called so many, but spring onions, scallions, let's get them in the pot. Get them cooking down. All right, let's crack some cackleberries. Do not salt and pepper. Farm fresh. Seems like the trend, I break a yolk every time. But I never do that when I'm not recording. All right, let's get a lid on it and let's let them cook for a minute. Ooh, I've got a warped pan. Might be time to change that. All right, let's add our sauce. Real thick. Real thick. Now, we're not going to be doing the no flip method. We're actually going to give these a flip this time. All right, let's give them a flip. I'm not going to record flipping them. Look at that. All right, let's plate. All right. Just like that, you got breakfast. All right, sesame seeds roasted. Give it a little bit of a top. All right, there you have it. Indonesian soy sauce fried eggs. Very sweet and tasty. You guys stay safe. Have an amazing morning. Hell, have an amazing day.